Hi, what's up? I'm Fat Papa. You see me in the room, you know it's about another food review. What I will do is in Costco, apple pie spring roll and egg and sausage sandwich. How good are they? Let me show you. Let us begin. I'm Fat Papa. If this is your first time watching my video, I give the cooking recipe and then food review. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please help me. Give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. Okay, let us begin. Costco, every month they have something special on sale. So this time they have the apple pie roll, the spring roll, and then they have the eggwich, egg sandwich. Why I choose these two is this one, the egg sandwich, for real, if they are not on sale, I might not be interested because the regular price I don't really interested. Then for the apple pie roll also, now after on sale is $6.99, but before that is over $9. I did not try it yet, so I didn't know. As a new product for me, I might not want to spend that money. That is why I want to do the food review and show you, so you will have some idea before you try to buy it. First is the egg sandwich. It means it's like the egg sandwich. Egg sandwich is mean they have both the is egg. They don't have any bread, and inside is like a sausage, and then the cheese, and then they come with frozen. They will come. Each of them is individual in the bag. And then there are the turkey sausage, and what they do is one pack they have 8, and each of them individual packaging. And after you remove this, and then you probably use a paper towel to wrap it and put in the microwave. Each side 50 seconds, and then you will be like this. So how they taste? Let me try and then let you know. First, the egg and sausage is not dry. I do 50 seconds on each side, just like the instruction. They are not dry. However, I'm sorry, I need to say that they are just frozen. If you try the frozen breakfast before, they're just like that. The egg is not that much egg flavor in there. Mostly it's because they've frozen it. The sausage is turkey. You still can taste some the sausage flavor. It's not bad, but the egg, the flavor is not really strong. So in that case, I will recommend put a little bit salt by yourself. I know they're salty already, as on sodium is 26%, but really it doesn't come out any of the taste be really strong. So I would recommend, like, if you buy it, put a little bit salt in that, and then it should be taste much better. And if you are doing on diet dose, you don't want any of the bread, and this one is good, like, since they are both egg, top and the bottom, with the sausage. And as a breakfast, I would say okay if you are on diet or you are have reason you cannot have the bread, like, so this one is pretty good, easy, and price is not really like the regular price expensive. They're on promo, so I would say you still can buy a try, but don't give it too much hope, like it will be wow, the egg will be really tasty, a lot of the egg flavor. You still have some, but it's not really strong. The texture, like, not dry, that is pretty good already. I really afraid, like, the frozen breakfast though, sometimes the bread, if I put in the microwave those, like, the bread will be really dry or hard. But this one is good, like the egg and then sausage, they both not dry. If you ask me, they are not on promotion, I might not buy it. That's my personal, so it's not advertisement or a sponsor on any of those. As you can see, because my microphone from now is like override the sound. So now let's talk about the apple pie rolls. They come with the caramel sauce. It's just the regular caramel, and then like they are large size, egg roll size, the apple pie. And then on the other side, you will see I use the air fryers to cook the spring roll that I always got from Costco. They are the veggie spring roll, and then I just want to compare them with the apple pies. So the apple pie roll, I cook it as the instruction. I want to see how crispy they are compared to the one I always got. So you can see the size for the apple pie roll. They are big, and then there are 16 roll inside in 2 package. And let me try the regular one. So they are still crispy. I really hope the microphone did not broken, so you will hear how crispy the egg roll they are. And when I try the apple pie roll, they also really crispy. What I did is like 370 degree on the air fryers, and then it say 14 minutes, but I just do it like 7 minutes each, and then I open up, and then I flip it over, and then do another 7 minutes, and then the whole apple pie roll is really crispy and tastes so good. And I want to say is like they are not really sweet, so probably like they decide you need to dip the caramel sauce. It's just the regular caramel, and they don't have any seasoning or other flavor in there, so it's basic caramel sauce, and then you dip it. I would say they are really matched. They are crispy, taste good, and if you don't like too sweet, just don't dip the caramel. They will be a little bit light. Like the sweet is almost like all come from the apple. So then they didn't really add a lot of the sugar inside, so they are good. And if you want more sweetness, then just dip the caramel, and then the flavor will come out even better. It's like if you go out to eat the fresh apple they dip with the caramel, the taste is kind of like that. It's like they are really merged. So I was trying to read the calories, but since I don't have any recorded sign, so I cannot tell that. It's not really high calorie, and then for the size they are big enough. Like for me, end up I eat all 3 of them. They taste pretty good, and this one I would say if not on sale, I will still get it. The reason is they have 16 pieces, and then the price is not expensive, and see how big they are. That one is the regular, like the small size I got from Costco, the spring roll, and then this is the dessert, the apple pie roll. See how big they are. I will say if you serve with your family or friends, probably like you can cut in the middle, so make it a little bit smaller, and then you can serve for more. And for my kid, they eat, each of them eat 2, so you can know like how good they are. Because I didn't let my kid have the caramel sauce, just the apple pie itself. I think it's good enough sweetness for the kid. For adult, I would say probably a little bit less. Most people might want to dip the caramel, but so for the 2 items this time I talk about it, I would say apple pie, even not on sale, I will still get it since they are 16 roll inside, and then the regular price I would still like to get it. But for the egg sandwich, if they're not on sale, I might not get it. And even on sale, I would think about it because they don't have any bread pulled, just the egg with the sausage. And then with that price, I think they can lower a little bit on the price. I know they are not cheap, but with that price, I have more option. That's what I think. And so again, I want to show you the apple pie roll, the package. Next time you go to Costco, you see it, maybe you can think about to get one. So they are not bad at all for dessert. And again, I didn't do any advertisement or sponsor on it. And if you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.